Concentration will open any door, especially within Onpassive. The first law of success is concentration. Concentration is your magic key that opens the door to accomplishing anything. When your physical and mental resources are focused, your power to resolve problems multiplies tremendously. To do two things at once is to do neither. Bend all of your energies to one point and go directly to that point, looking neither to the right nor to the left. Nothing can add more power to your life as much as concentrating all your energies on a limited set of targets. The sun's rays do not burn until brought into focus. Success is the result of well-directed energy. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.